This is X.
I'm KB.
This is GT, and we had.
Wait, we have a guest.
Hi guys, I'm Harty, and we're at
Killarney Country Club.
And we're gonna play some challenges today.
The year is 2026, and you boys, the 3 Under Par team, are back again. Today, we're at the amazing Killarney Country Club Golf Estate on a cold, wet, rainy Gauteng morning to pick up from where we left off. KB, he has some new clubs. He's here to put them to the test. GT, what can I say? Fastest swing in the world. X, with the weather today, those recoveries had better be good. We've also got a guest in the house today, Bacardi. Now that's not the drink, it's the golfer. And he's here to put the boys through their paces.
Should have hit it harder.
Yeah. Oh, putting. What a putt.
What a
Bacardi.
Bacardi. Batucada.
You say those short drives and stuff.
No.
I hit it, I didn't. Nice.
Tampo. Nice. Ish. Left a bit of work there.
The bigger, the smaller and the bigger holes. How about now?
This should be my. I know. I'll finish.
Oh, nice.
That's right.
That's the first hole, don't worry. Many more to come.
That's that. At least we have our drinks. Shot. Yeah, and that went to the tree.
Yeah, no, it was a mishap. Yeah. Mara will recover. You know, you can't keep a good man down, Topi.
Yeah, you think. How's it? That's me. Oh, what a shot! What a shot!
Much.
What a shot! Whoa!
Right on next to the flag.
Bange next.
Yeah. Bunker. Did it pass it going?
Wow. In the bunker, well done. Yeah, you see here, Topi. The lie is not that great. Ball is above feet. I just hope I don't hit the ground. Tricky one.
Shot! Oh no! Hey, yeah, it works.
That's a shot. A shot and a half.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice draw. Shot.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
It'll work.
Can't ask for much these days.
Shot.
Nice.
Come on, this one a run, man.
Wasted a shot there, but at least it was my third, so.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Sure.
Oh my word.
Oh,
Overtouched, but I'll play from there. That's 4.
Oh my God.
yeah.
Nice one.
Thanks.
Nice.
Oh, what a putt.
Nice pace.
Sit. Shit, these greens are fast. They like me.
I can go there.
Outside the right.
Nice line.
Okay, you can finish.
That one is
Okay.
6.
You can pick up. Or you want to finish?
It's lamp.
Yeah.
Sure. Thanks.
6.
That's a
What
fairway.
a shot, man.
That's a fairway, Bacardi.
Seems to have.
those are Info towers.
Which one?
That one.
The telecom tower. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Slice at the end.
Yeah, had a bit of too much gas. Is there
I think it's
water
somewhere
there?
between those trees.
No.
No, I just wanted his
On
heart
the
to
fairway.
skip a beat. Oh, short.
Nice.
Middle of the fairway.
Let me, to save time, let me speed
Everyone
up to
hit
the
the
other
fairway?
side.
Yeah.
Everyone. You know, Tope. We find in these fairways.
Yeah,
We find
Bro,
in
the
these
shots
fairways.
are
I need
on
to
hard,
catch up.
Probashia.
I can see you guys have been
It's been grinding.
have been working. Yeah,
Last time what happened? What is that?
it was in the trees.
When asked about this hole, well,
What do you think?
nah, I'm not happy. I would have loved it closer than that. I wanted a sure thing.
Aye. Aye. Aye.
You went from bad to worse there.
Bruh. The ball was above my feet a bit, so I calculated.
Money, let's listen. Okay. It's fine. Nice one.
I sent it there, but I didn't come back in.
In curve. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, putting.
Yo.
Putting.
Save the
Hey, no tlakamata ke rai. Nice party.
Nice X.
6.
Can go, kid.
Hey,
6.
wanted to come out.
6.
That's what I'm afraid about
that's what
with
I-
the 6, but
That you're gonna
Wait, didn't
overheat.
it go over?
I feel I'm stronger than
Oh,
X.
shit.
Let me say, I feel I'm
yeah.
stronger than X. My 6 will jump. You know, Tope, those of us who live in the gym and do high rocks and those things, we believe we can jump. You know? The ones who don't do gym, they will suffer.
Doesn't that mean you need less power?
It's power and technique. It's a combination.
Yes. Okay.
Because if he jumps over, then it's past the bunker.
No, I think I can just get in front of the green. I'm not even aiming to be on the green, just to be in front of it.
Three boys worldwide presenting the box.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yes, Bayaga.
Follow me.
Jump in the
Follow the
bed.
lead.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
So is there a drop zone or do we have to reload?
Yeah, there's
But
a
I'm
drop
there.
zone.
But I'm there. You see, but the strength, I told you. The
Yeah,
strength.
Mine are saying condition. I have a feeling my body
You
is
know
there.
when I'm doing high rocks,
But
when I'm
either way,
exercising, I know
I'm not gonna
it will
take a
come in
drop.
handy when I come here.
Because you're on the other
I
side.
mean, I'm not gonna reload.
Pa!
Oh, nice.
Nice. Hey, this looks like a GUR, man.
I shouldn't
That's
have played it,
part
but
of
they
it.
didn't put GUR sign.
First
So
half of the day.
they didn't put a GUR
This
sign.
was your hole, wasn't it?
It's the
another
first
guy.
half of the day for everyone, not just me.
And what par is it?
Par 3.
Par 3.
Yeah.
I actually read that this par 3 is one of the more challenging ones.
Yeah, because of this, all the water around.
Yeah, the slope and the water around.
So Kabza went across, then he dropped, then 3 shots to come to this side. So he's currently on 3 shots. Kabza. I trust Hunter will count for himself. Kabza is on 3 already.
Flag out, please.
But his recovery was okay. It was decent.
Yeah. Hunter's second shot went there, then his third shot again there, then his fourth shot there. So Kabza is hitting his 5th shot now.
Off it.
So that was 6 for Kabza.
No, 5 I think.
Oh, what a
He came
pass.
across
What
the
a
stage
pass.
and then he patted twice. Didn't he do it twice now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 5.
Unlucky.
This is 1. So he went there with 1, and then a penalty plus the 1 to come
Yeah, I
across.
got a
Then he
penalty.
patted twice. That's 5.
Tope.
I think Huntz is on
It's a
like
5.
6 probably, or 5 as well.
Still in
Actually.
the points. We good.
Oh, we make that 6.
Yo.
I messed up his group there.
You can still hear me, right? You can hear me.
Yadlala mo.
Hey.
Yadlala mo. I'm doing nonsense. Where'd you?
See, they're also just finishing off now. No, yeah, there.
But
There's
we can
guys,
hit
there's
again, they're
guys
on the
passing, so
fairway.
we can
They're
start.
not. They're on the green, so we can hit.
Yeah, we can start, but they're also moving slow. Yes.
Shot. Kader. Score.
5. Winner.
7. Free drinks.
Free drinks on you.
My throat is red.
It's the second round. First one's on Kabza.
Yeah, my throat is red.
I looked away.
It doesn't matter who bites first.
I'm incentivized to play well.
That's very sure we have it on the record.
And I wanted to pick alcohol at that time.
Hey,
You are turning us into alcoholics.
no, it's Bakari. He played into his mind. I think he was telling me I need distance, so he tried to smack it.
Bakari, are you on the fairway? Yeah. So that's one person.
Just went high, man.
Sit.
It's OB.
It should hit the tree and land.
No,
square.
it's OB. I'm gonna have to reload. It's back.
Back.
Oh, thank you. I knew going to church was a good idea.
Church way in Rustenburg.
No, I went last year in Christmas. Yeah,
What is this, hole 5?
yeah.
Hole 5, par 5.
Yo.
Think, should I just get it on the fairway and then use this?
Yeah, quick. Let's move. Yeah.
That's a fairway
Kabza on the
to
fairway.
I think I must just get it
Sure.
on the fairway.
Doesn't matter how they
Because
come.
wanting to go big now might
As long as it's
backfire.
there.
But that one was a beautiful one.
Why is it Tope?
One with nature.
Yeah. Only 2 people playing today.
Last today at all. So what about Shiona?
Okay, you're in. Oh, the guys behind us are 3 ball.
Okay, sharp. Yeah.
I think if they catch up to us, we'll let them. Oh,
I thought it was bending that way.
Flag out.
Left.
And I did the opposite.
Oh, it should be here actually.
Yeah, it's so it
the
slopes
slope
down
is
this way.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Just in
Haibu, is it going left or right?
It's
It is.
confusing.
It is. Let it come in.
It is. If it moved some more, it was gonna bend over.
Emma. Oh. Green say they like me.
So the same thing comes. Like I just act like the hole is here.
Okay, Coach Tope, we are on. Left some more. Okay, let's go.
Ish. Almost.
Okay, it's fine as long as I didn't go past. Can work with that.
It's fine. Give me a pickup for this one. Because that's already going to 9. Yeah, give me a pickup.
Interact.
Sure, yeah. Now you can take that, kid.
Okay. Double bogey 7.
Now that's me for double bogey here. Kabza. Me face it go non chom. 8.
Nice potty.
Under par.
Sure.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Live recording.
Yeah. Very much.
It's on the tee box.
Excalibur. Nice.
And come
Sit.
back.
Yeah. What's your plan, Kabza?
Now you see here, Tope. I just need to go over this.
Hole in one is
smack
his
in the
plan.
middle of the fairway. Anything else? Disaster.
So the plan is a hole in one then.
I'll try. I have a 6 iron here, so let's see how it goes. I mustn't rush my backswing. Let's just focus on the contact.
Nice.
Okay.
Sit.
Okay.
I think I'll be
It will
safe.
work. It will work.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah,
there.
it'll work.
Izosebenza mntanami.
I'm
Izosebenza
I'm
mntanami.
safe. How you know?
Tope, the plan is always a hole in one.
My one.
Yeah,
That's
as long
always
as-
the plan.
Sure,
The plan is
no,
always
my
a hole in one.
Yeah, like they say, as long as you're not causing road
Anything that
accident
happens
fund
after
to
that
work.
is the plan is always a hole in one.
Okay, right. Agnalwe. Sit. Yeah, relax.
Yeah, no.
Take your time. Nice
Yes.
one.
Hey, tango.
Where?
We're going that side.
Going
After
that
the
side
bunker.
out.
Go to the bunker now, second
Get
bunker.
up like left there, Bakaria.
When I'm worried, I'm like, how do you go that side? Because I was like, I was confused.
You
Man,
teed it
went
up too
under
high.
it, yeah, it was
Where is
teed
it?
up high.
Sit. It's coming down.
In the water.
Like the outside.
Remember, this is the
It's a
part 3.
Nyange.
This is the other part 3. Remember this part 3. So
Yeah, that one.
there might be water here. I'm not sure, but
Uncle Ivon.
no, I guess
Yeah, it's a little.
Yeah, it's here. It's fine, but now you can.
Yeah, you
can
can
go.
get it.
I'll
We'll
drop
look.
if I don't find it there. That was terrible shot, man. I didn't see anything.
you drop or you reload. Do that one more.
No, it's either I drop. It's red sticks. Red sticks,
Oh.
I'll just drop there if I don't find it.
Top date.
It's not ladies, that's what matters.
Hey, you're gonna get us drunk if you give
Hey.
ladies.
I can,
What I hit. Yes, go.
It's a fair.
Just grip the
You just got onto the fairway.
It's going. It's on the fairway now.
it's on the fairway.
Yeah.
Oh, fairway tope.
slow poison.
Yeah. I haven't had a fairway in a long time.
That's half a fairway to pay, but we'll take it.
Solid.
Nice.
Yeah, well deserved. After that shot, dog.
Yeah,
shot.
Yeah, no, that was a shot of the
Aye.
day.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, what a shot.
What a shot. See, you let loose there. You
Yeah,
let
a
loose.
little
That
bit.
was perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Finally, man.
Yeah, it's a fairway.
Finally, my brother.
Well done.
Hey, my man, I've been starving, man. Playing golf, not scoring any point. That's painful. You know how painful that is? Huh? Like.
I let loose too much.
Nice thing about it, you didn't hit it.
But I think that
That is
deserves
the
the
best.
ladies.
Yeah, it is the ladies. The ball
No,
didn't
it's
go in.
not.
Yeah, you didn't hit it, man.
That's another free drink.
That's not ladies. You have to touch it.
Kano.
Hey,
Ah.
what?
Now
Yeah.
that's a ladies.
Actually. Tope, I hope you're also counting those ones then.
Yeah, I'm counting.
Tally them up. Say number of fairways versus number of ladies.
Wait, but that's
But you see next time.
not a drop there.
next time.
It's a drop, it's red stakes.
Next time,
Ah.
when you hit a ball and then it does that, step back, start fresh, take out your ball.
Then restart.
Yeah, because of now you're still on the same setup as
But I just
and
did,
you're
yeah.
anxious. Yeah, start fresh, reload, start from the beginning. Because you still stuck with everything, even your pose. Love that sound, man. With the
Let's see.
direction.
It's gonna land on this fairway.
Yeah, and it's a hill there. It's like a heavy embankment. I hope I find it.
You just have to hit it.
You connected well. Like
No.
you said over the top thing, I
Yes,
think.
no, that time I didn't close the club. So the club was like so.
Yeah.
That's why I started left. So I already know my
I actually
ball.
need to
I've
go.
diagnosed it. So if the ball
Not
is
reload.
straight and then it curves, it means the
open the
club
club.
path. Not on the club path, RTE.
Over the top.
Yeah, the club
I'm
was
gonna go
square,
get
but
my
the
thing
path
since I
was
need to
RTE.
drop there.
Over the top, yes.
I get you.
But if it goes all this outright like so, the club is open. So all you must do when I come, I come. I want to say, so I must. It's a small thing.
I didn't see that one.
That will work. It's
It's on
I
the
think
green
so.
almost.
It's a million line up banker, so
no,
we can really
We'll see. We'll find out when we get there.
Hey, you man.
3 under par, this one.
Oh, good.
like and
Ah,
subscribe.
good, man.
I'm about to make it happen.
Yeah, golf it hard, Abaka.
Bale mambo
But
yile
play
bale
really
bathola
golf
misa
tops
bo.
because they're hitting on the fairway while you're
I give you
playing.
about
You see?
Samuira.
So we are forced to play ready golf. Don't be surprised if I'm already hitting. Yeah, don't mind if you do. Seems like you're a man of many talents, Tope.
Nice touch. Can I have that, Kira?
Oh, I can have it. Okay, let me show you how I have it. Yeah,
Really?
there I have it.
Got one time ago.
Hit it.
Let me relieve you there, Tope.
I didn't touch it.
You know, we mustn't exploit you.
Can go back.
Ooh.
Guys, it's
We're trying to get past this hole.
Let's save time, gents. Oh, we play middle.
Play Gabs. And I'll play quickly.
Yeah, no. We'll take a pick.
Yo,
The pickup is 9, but do you want a 9?
Yeah, it's
Move,
9.
Gabs, move.
Yeah, give me a 9, man.
Okay.
I moved.
That's
it back.
one more,
Already, the
7,
zigzags, it's already a 9.
1, 2. I lost count.
8.
1,
Okay.
2.
Good thing I didn't pick up.
Tope, we're going to give you more on the next hole.
It's good for us to be here, but the members play.
We
You know, these
apologize
guys
to
don't want to listen. I was telling them last night that they should act right, but they don't want to listen. Oh,
Shot.
that's a...
Work.
Okay.
Ooh, it was heading to the fairway, but then
Yeah. Then it took a detour.
But it's a dog leg, right?
Okay.
So
So Tope,
GT is going straight.
I'm going to try go straight, but I have a tendency with my fairway to
Yeah,
have
so
a
just
draw,
so you can play.
a power draw. So I might actually end up left. I'm hoping I'm not left to the point where I'm in the water. The water's still far.
I think it makes it. He's going to set up and go very quickly.
Ah, yeah,
and I'm
very
going to
far.
boom, boom.
I'm going to power
Sometimes
draw
it
it.
helps to not think too much.
60% chance there.
but rather go right than left. There's water here.
Okay.
More. I want to canal nyana.
Yeah. But there's no water.
No water on the right.
Okay.
Plus it's a dog leg left, so right
Yeah.
is safe.
So my power draw to the left should come in handy.
Nice. That'll work.
Power draw.
That'll work.
serious, bro.
Yo. Hey, she's too much, ne?
It was power
it's perfect.
without a
No,
draw, but
there's
power
more.
is there.
There's more runway there.
No, I know
That's
it's perfect. I
perfect.
just wanted you guys to say it.
Just shorted the draw,
Yeah.
but the power is there.
Gonna-
Shot that, like, you shooting at the rand.
Yeah.
It was a missile.
So that's a fairway.
Yeah, so I just recorded. Think he's gonna make it?
He's lethal with this.
High. The T is a bit high, so let's see.
Shit.
The T.
I can see it.
Yeah, it's in the driving range. That
As
one.
long as you're not
Send
causing
inside.
road accident
In the-
fund to withdraw.
No,
In the
no,
driving
that side.
range.
The other
Just
side.
short of my guan, Tope.
I always say,
You know
once I
when-
get the camera out, X.
We're next to the highway, but hey, man,
No, I hit it too hard.
it's too powerful, Lex.
Just the fairway, guys. That's the aim.
Only the fairway that
Just
you
the
want.
fairway. That's all I'm going with.
That's the fairway.
Yeah, just the fairway. No plan, no nothing. Just repeat and grip it, my brother. That's all I'm doing.
Jump, jump,
round
jump.
the fairway.
Drop zone, ladies.
As long as it goes over.
Why?
Yeah,
you
you
know
know
what?
Safe.
Look at
Safe.
that. Look at that. What's terrible? Terrible
no.
contact.
At least no penalties.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
the bruiser here, man. Yes.
Oh, la madada, me bra. Yo.
Yes,
Le dada la batho.
Yo, mole.
Le ntsheng re lapile once. Le ntsheng re lapile le dada le.
Hey, I'm sure I bet every day. Yes. Yo, yo.
Aha, di dada.
Yo, Tope, I almost hit the tag. Yeah. And I got I want to evaluate him.
Hey, Tope.
They definitely
He
hit
harmed,
it.
he harmed the dog. Cruelty to animals.
Yo,
sit.
hey, I almost hit the dog. Sorry,
I stood
doggy.
up on it.
Ish. Yeah.
5.
Oh, the geese. Tope. You. Let's see if it was alive. Yo. Pick up 9. I pick up
Must
9.
go left, eh?
I went twice in the water. There's no way I'm gonna salvage it from.
Okay. So I must just touch it.
Just like juice. No gas. Should have committed.
Not left enough.
Okay.
But it's an actual 9. I wasn't 7 before those 2 shots.
It's fine.
That side, gents, we're going there.
Oh. Sure. So
Yeah,
it's
it's
9-9, Bacardi.
Let
This
me
is one
count
of those
there.
holes. I
It's an
blew it.
8 for me.
Pata, who's Eamon?
I got a 9.
Bona.
Got a 9. I could have done better, but I got a bit greedy. Went into the water
Okay.
twice. Almost killed a geese or a goose. Hey, wawona banu. Oh, gisingula le plura. Yeah. No.
Wait, I'm missing my S wedge here.
Yes, this is a food to pay. Actually, I was hunting for a baby. See what I did?
My S wedge. I came with it this side.
I gave it to the
but
Two?
I gave it to the kid.
Oh, where's the kid?
I missed it.
It will work. Oh, I can go for it.
Oh, went over. Wow.
You can go.
On favor.
Go.
More drinks in front. More drinks.
Yo, these greens are fast though.
Pay. Before you came back, ask them who was destroying the holes here.
Oh,
I have
what a
2
putt.
5s in the last 2 rounds.
What a
Perfect shots.
putt.
Yeah.
Aibo!
And now I'm back.
Yes, now I've hit 5 already.
Now that the camera's back,
Now I've hit 5 already.
the hips are back. Recording.
Cup inside, right.
You can have it.
7.
So I saw X's line. It was slanting right. So I need to keep it a touch left somehow. Not hit it too much.
Nice,
much.
nice pace.
Ah,
Yeah, but
you can have it, Vana. We are all
I
set.
want his triple bogey.
No. I need to fight.
So it's the
It's a
same.
triple. It's a point.
Yeah, you have a point.
Yeah, it's 1 point. You.
Bacardi, you are fighting.
Again.
Hey, that's Shiana, no?
Yeah,
So that's
you're using too much
Where did
strength.
you hit?
Bacardi.
Where did you hit? Bogey.
Yeah, 5. It's a par 5, ne? Or par 4. Yeah, it's a 5. I hit a 5.
Now it's a triple for me.
Yeah, same. With a 7.
Nice, but
Nah,
that,
you.
oh,
What the hell? What happened here?
The camera.
Putting, yeah. No, it's not the camera, man. It's me.
Oh man, these greens are too fast.
Just doing some funny things here.
Yo. flex stick.
It was tough.
Yeah, it was tough.
One. And I started off with 1.
Yeah, to pay. I think it's that means that you ate.
4,
That's causing
5,
these problems.
6.
Now that you are
7,
here,
8.
we are suffering.
Ah, man. It's an 8
Now
for me.
that you are back from
7,
your lunch
Killarney.
break, we are suffering. We were finding the fairways with ease. Manje. Hey, my man. It's tough in the industry.
As long as you don't slice, you're fine. So you're fine.
There's an embankment there, so it might it might bounce back.
Yeah, it might
Keep
roll
it
down.
left. Keep it
Hey,
left.
it's
I
the
write
power
you
draw
out.
I keep talking about. People have
Because you
slice
still need 2
problems.
shots
I have
anyway.
draw
Because
problems.
you need to get close to
You
the water
understand
and
me?
then jump.
People have a
now
slice
you're gonna have to
problem.
punch
I have a
your
draw
head, what you
problem.
A drop problem.
A draw, meaning I go like this to the left.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, like some people have a slice problem. In fact, as a matter of fact, we might see a slice right now, like in the next 3 tee-offs. Let's hope we don't see it, because as you can see, there's a road on the side.
You know, Tope, Mina, I'm not one to shy away from a challenge. Challenge accepted. And you know what's gonna happen to Tope?
Put it on the fairway.
He's gonna remain silent after this.
Me, I congratulate people who do well. I told you, I have a crystal ball.
Jinxed you.
Yeah,
Well,
there.
opens up.
You see, Road Accident Fund will be making a withdrawal.
Now you
No,
made
he
it.
didn't hide.
I wanted to
He
prove a
destroyed
point.
it. That's why. He destroyed it. He destroyed it.
That's
I'll
what
take an L on
psychology
this
as
Well,
one.
there you have your case study. That was a slice.
I'll
You
take
see,
an L on
the
this
draw
one,
is the
Tope.
opposite of that.
I'll take an L.
Yeah.
There's no red
It
sticks.
hit someone's car.
I'll have to
They
reload.
call this swing the Shambok swing. Watch it.
Whippy. The EFF
Yeah.
swing. Whippy.
Nice.
Nice, but
That's
Kanye,
fine.
On the fairway.
Did you see the
Oh,
Shambok
It's gonna
swing?
bounce and come back. Yeah, there. It's gonna bounce and come back there.
Oh,
Fairway.
just went high.
No, fairway, yeah.
Yeah, I want to see. Just went high.
Mr. Sam.
Now it's the
Get
I mean, my
a
connection is
steak or
terrible.
reload or
Yeah, last time you
connection.
killed the goose. Now, hey,
I'm
this guy.
tired, man.
Cruelty to humans and animals.
and machines.
Yeah, and machines. Hey, you need to pay them for the goose you killed.
And the car now that you put a hole in.
No. I said sorry to it. I said sorry to it. Yeah, he's my brother.
Oh, on the money.
You have redeemed us.
Why was guys saying that?
Yeah, no. I never doubted you for a second.
Hey, Mutori, but
That's the best shot you've hit today.
I've been
No,
telling
you
you.
missed them.
Hey, X, just
You
he
missed
found, he
them.
found this sweet. No, X, you know what? I've been telling these guys.
I know.
X,
Oh, it's perfect.
Thank
So exit, they stay straight.
Just near birdie on this one. Yeah.
Yeah, Cubs, we'll blame it on the club. Still getting
No,
used to
it's the power. It's the power, Topi. You know what, here, Topi. Just gonna aim for the fairway. No power, no distance, nothing. Let the club do the work.
yeah, Well done.
work.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
shot.
that's perfect.
Let the club do the work, Topi.
That's
It's
a
fine.
fade.
You know, Mus. I know my fade.
Yeah.
You aim to
So
you
what are
aim
you doing?
M1. It goes.
my golf stick here.
Yeah?
This is my golf stick here.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
it
know.
was play. Oh,
Yeah,
there'll
I
be
see what
some
you said.
serious content there.
Yo,
It'll be trendy, man.
mara get there, isn't it? Yeah, no, get with
It's a good one.
And then
Hi,
you've tapped out.
it's high.
Don't worry.
I went into the
I will
road,
redeem the
first
golf
tee off.
club. Well, I'm carrying it on my shoulders, this club. I will redeem it.
Yeah, this shot, bro, this was a crazy.
Tell them, Tupi. Yeah,
Hi,
on another day,
managers.
I could have salvaged
Sergio, what's the
something.
flag?
Oh, sorry, I thought you were on the green. Hey, you know when you're on the green, you think everybody's on the green. You know.
I was targeting your ball.
Sorry,
there.
my brother, sorry.
I was targeting your ball. Aye, man. Now,
Okay, well out, Bakari.
Keep it to be.
You can finish.
Yeah.
aye. I pulled it.
Yeah.
I pulled it. There.
Yeah, he said the same thing in Blue Valley to me, but it's fine. What I remember very well on a
But-
par 3.
But
Lovely
DG,
X.
take your time, my
Yeah.
brother.
Thanks,
We need
Bakari.
this. We need this. We need this.
Nice, Bakari.
Ah, man.
I want to step in your line now.
Okay, since you insist, X. If I miss it, it's because of X. It's his fault.
No negative thoughts, bro.
Usa. Usa.
What is that?
All of that for a bogey.
I thought you was a birdie, mina.
No,
Ibo,
that was
wasn't
my
it a
fifth
par?
shot.
But
That's
still,
my fifth shot.
Yes.
But I rescued something.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Clean finish.
Yeah, clean finish.
Clean finish.
So not
That's all
X.
it counts.
Oh. Panamo. The worst thing you can do is land short. That's the worst thing. It's still the same river. Not really. It's look at how those bunkers are positioned. If you overheat it, you land in the bank. Your best bet
And
is
those
to
bunkers are deep, ne?
yes. Your best bet is front of the green.
What was the one where we were just all short? What was the distance there? 170 something when we took a 6.
Yeah,
was
but remember
170
these things
something.
keep on moving.
Yeah, but I'm saying there was one way I landed just short, the one where you went right.
I took
The one where I got a par
I
at
took
the
a
end.
7, you took a 6.
And like this one you must.
If you skip the water, you're fine here.
I'm torn between a 7 and a 6.
I'm
And
going
and
6. Man.
Hey guys, take.
Yes, you sit.
Are we good?
We're over and we're not in a bunker. So
Okay,
we're
but-
good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah? Is in the bunker left? Okay. Well,
played.
I thought I was out of the
Next.
bunker.
Well played.
Yeah, we're over.
3. I have a 7i. Yeah?
14th hole.
14th hole, yeah. I have a
Yeah,
7.
14th hole.
7 iron. 150 to the pin. It might be a bit of too much slap, but let's go.
Short man.
Let's go, Tope.
Okay.
Bunker.
Oh,
bunker,
okay,
but it's
bunker.
fine.
But at least,
I'll take
please,
that.
please do not taking a drop.
I can still get a par from there, hopefully, but as long as I'm not in the river.
Yeah.
Modimo go moholo.
Love the mantra, man. Love that mantra. Love that.
Special song.
The whip, my brother. Just need to whip.
Over.
It was.
You topped it,
balance.
but you're over. Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
lost
You're
balance.
safe, my brother.
Nice.
I'm not happy.
Please.
We trust you, X. Redeem us.
Do the thing.
X gonna give it to you.
Yeah, Excalibur.
And he's on fire.
Hey. There's pressure. Yeah.
Oh,
The other
lucky.
fairway
you're too powerful.
or
X.
the river.
Lucky and
You
lucky.
are.
I saw it. Oh, you bounced back into the river. There's a high chance.
But you're saying it's on the other side.
Or the
Yeah.
other, I think on the other fairway.
Yeah, hey, let's hope for the best.
I hit
X.
it too well and then direction was off. Because even if that was straight, it was going to the
Man, I'm
bunker
not
or
happy with
past.
my swing.
Yeah.
You're like, that's the best hole
You
to
know, I
take
told you
content
guys
and you
about this
slaughtered us.
pattern. I told you guys about this part 3.
Okay, I completely
This
missed
part
it.
3 is the worst.
Is it, ne?
Because look at the bunkers, bro. There's no escape.
Oh. Flag out to in.
Flag out, please. Come on, man. Now I don't understand the deal. What happened to my putting now? I started putting so well, Joe. How can I
Well-
miss that? Huh?
Wait, where's the flag meant to be? Just tell me where. I hit there.
It's there.
Where Bakari is?
Yeah. Aim for me. Aim for my left leg.
Open the club
one.
face.
You're out.
Well,
Can't
out.
complain.
Fine. I'm gonna.
Okay, let me
flip
sink
over
this
with
one
the
quick,
putter.
quick.
Okay, I'm going to land the putt.
Let me go.
Okay.
Sorry. Let me try to redeem myself, man. After.
Yeah, perfect. That's how you judge a downhill. Oh, but you did everything right. There, you can't really blame yourself.
Golf is difficult.
Right, except getting the
Get
Yeah.
in the hole, which is the one that is most important. My brother is trying to console me. He doesn't want me to quit golf. That's why. That's why he doesn't want me to quit golf. He's like, hey, this
Want me
guy's
to
gonna
go?
quit.
Yeah, go, kid. Yeah.
Let me encourage him.
That's your thing.
Terrible. Ne?
Kabza, just over there.
Too much pace.
He smacked it hard.
Again, wena.
Yes.
Ngenya kumbhayizisa
So
wona
poisy.
man. Ngenya kumbhayizisa bolo.
I try to add injury
But
to
that's a
insult to injury.
Really well.
have that to your left.
Because give it 8 but twice.
But I think it's straight.
But you fell off well and then
Oh, those guys are waiting for us. Let's just finish.
I know we're waiting for the man of the hour.
Oh, then,
This is for par.
just a bit more. Sorry to pay. From par to 6 shots, sorry to pay.
Keida.
No. Kid, I agree you had given me that one.
Wow, who said so?
No one gave you anything.
Of course you would.
Adi.
Hey, I think
That's fine.
it's okay, kid.
But
It's
if I
okay.
pick up, I don't finish my Worst shot of the day.
Wait,
Yeah, where's shot?
he followed us.
He's out of the park.
On the
You
whole
can
game.
hear with the,
out.
did you hear the gate?
Yeah, on the whole
He
game.
hit the gate. He's out of the park.
What the
Delete
hell?
that, no?
I deleted. It's a blooper.
Yeah, I'm reloading.
Is it a
Oh, nice pace. That's a 6 from me. I'm not sure about this other guy. Oh,
Yeah, no,
what a
no.
putt,
Oh,
Bacardi.
what a putt.
Yeah, I have my touchback.
Nice one.
Finish off strong.
Yeah.
It was bad, but at least.
Oh, nice X.
Doesn't matter. This is a par 4, right?
5.
It's a par 5. Oh,
Yeah.
it's a bogey for me.
Give me 9. Still 9.
6.
7.
Bacardi.
8. Putting safe.
It was tough, Mara. We survived.
We agree, Leila.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe my eyes. But I smacked that ball.
Leg hard left, meaning it's
Like
almost
250.
90 degrees.
I
It's gonna turn sharp. So the aim what I want to do is I want a power draw. I want it when it gets to the top of the hill to snap
my
left.
left.
And then
Into
you,
drive.
yeah, to
Let's
spin
be
left,
greedy.
harshly so. Luckily for me, I've
Let's
got
be
a power draw
greedy.
in my arsenal.
No other
So
way.
I think I can pull it off.
No money, the boss I are.
Really going
Yeah, that's my
worldwide.
yes, that's my natural flow of shot. So I think it can work for me. Let's see what Kabza has got cooking there. Yeah. Oh, shot.
Yes.
It's alright.
So
Do another one again. You hit another fairway again.
No pressure.
Die, man. Everything was perfect. There's just the
Please take
direction.
Now, Nalehonzera.
There has been bad luck so far. So boy.
must I press record?
No fairways.
Yeah.
No fairways.
It's been bad luck so far.
Forget about the camera, X.
I'm not gonna hit it hard. I'm just gonna touch it.
The camera's not here. What a shot.
Yeah.
You touched it.
Yeah.
He touched it.
Yeah, no, that's a touch.
That's
Because I
lovely
could see he
touch.
didn't swing. He didn't
Lovely
swing.
touch. Excalibur.
Excalibur touch.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
To release the X-Code.
he did what he said he's gonna do.
They are
Score.
Here you go. Yes.
I go X.
10. That's fine.
7.
Unlucky.
Let us pitch.
Nice X.
Money.
Done.
Can you get 6, ne?
6, yeah. 6, you are 5. And then
Und es
Yeah, 6. 4.
it's
Hit the
fine.
drain, come
That's
back.
it.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
par 3.
That's fine. I'll chip from there.
Oh,
Nice, Peter.
Shot.
Yeah,
Can't
you're
see
in.
it, but sounded good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
No, before the bunker, it
Yes,
stopped.
yes, I thought it went in the bank. Yeah, it's wet, Tope, so hey, anything can happen now.
Tope, I've got a downhill putt. Might gather some momentum. Let me try and get it close. Just want to get it close. I'm not trying to get it in. Just want to get it close. Okay. Yeah, mission accomplished. So let me just tap it in and take what I get. Haha, voila. See, the aim is, you don't always have to aim to get it into the hole.
You shouldn't try too hard.
Just get it in within a 25 centimeter radius.
Yes, and then you can always score it out.
Yeah, you can always get
And
some.
it's still not picking up from here. Oh.
And look it up very much.
Oh, that was for
It was
par.
par. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Keida.
Something is
So
off.
now you're going to be like me after such a nice shot.
I'm fit.
At least let me get a
Yeah.
boogie. Let me save us.
You didn't honor that shot, Keida.
The flag out.
No, it's fine. I'm gonna hit it again. I'm too afraid.
This is your... Oh, this one, thank you.
Bale bakari bara ba bona ba budzitse bale. Oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but this one I wasn't sure.
Let me finish up because I'm on 4 shots.
Re ke chele ba fana ba fast.
Yeah.
5 shots.
So it's 5-5-5.
Tope, behind you.
Hey!
Oh! Almost went in.
What
Was it
was the
gents?
flag story?
That one is not fair.
Was
It's
it?
not a flag.
Sure, sure. Did you guys
It
see a
went
mic
around the
like
horn.
this?
It was running too much.
They found it. Look.
Smack on the middle of the fairway. But before the hilly thing. So if I walk in the middle of the fairway, I should be able to see it. Okay.
Let's go.
That would be very fortunate.
Yo,
Okay,
that would
sharp.
be very fortunate.
Jabu. Nzamele le throw.
Kate is gonna push for Kabza. It's fine.
He
I think so.
They told him something. We might be in business. They found it.
Yeah.
They found it.
Cause the moods
We're
are
good.
hilly. No, thank.
Problem solved.
I don't know why they didn't pick it up.
Thank you.
Oh, capture
Yeah.
Kate has a perfect shot here. His last shot.
Yes. No, no,
Let me also get the camera
Yeah,
because now we're not
yeah,
taking
yeah,
enough for
yeah.
the social media because we're busy with all these other things.
Guys.
That's a drink.
No,
Let's
but
hear.
guys, I'm not even getting it's past.
But it's
but
not us. They're talking. No one was talking yet.
No, but I can. As I was about to eat, he said, "Bafana bale ba two seats." While I'm about to eat.
That's a drink,
It's
bro.
not-
it's past
You're
anyway.
not gonna drink this
Can we
one.
take it?
No, but guys.
No, this
It's
thing,
fine.
yeah.
Guys,
Hey,
I don't know if I should do this.
Kabza. Kate is saying you disturbed him. Yeah, he's there now.
Between. It's waterproof.
You see? You see what happens?
Please make sure. Yeah.
You see what happens when a
yeah,
person gets a chance to focus?
But man, yeah, I was worried. Last time I lost a card, man.
I can hear Bacardi just in case.
No, the Insta, the cover card. So
That's all I'm saying.
When I lose gadgets,
I can hear
everything,
Bacardi.
they come here.
Okay, hit while we're talking. Let's see.
Just don't get us a drink.
Yeah, no, he says you can talk while he's hitting. He
No,
says
I'm
it
saying I
doesn't
can
bother-
hear them. Just note.
Yeah, no.
Interesting
There.
times.
But
But I can see it.
we move.
I can see it.
I don't want to get the mallet.
I got office
Can I
difficulties.
buy that easy target? So get the mal, why sort out?
Yeah, it'll work.
Where is it? It's higher, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, Bacardi.
We want Musmadal. All right.
We're looking for We found the mic celebratory shot.
Money.
Hey, yeah.
Almost depressed.
It made life a bit difficult.
Remember, man, I've been having a round. Kamo losing a mic.
Yeah, you won't let Pat relay.
It was not gonna be
You were
worth it.
just crimson through it.
Brayaga.
You were just honoring it.
True. Yeah, let's celebrate now. Aye, wanna.
Mara,
fair
it
way.
won't go.
No,
would
let's
you
go
cut
one
through?
day.
Hey, let's share there. These
Let's
guys
show
are probably
guys
on our
we're
team.
behind, remember.
6. For me, this is for 6.
Yeah?
For you, this is for me, this is for 6.
Which one? Yeah, hi.
Good parts, Jens. Good chips, huh?
Yeah, no,
Good chips, ladies.
this chip is my money maker.
Good chips.
You remember the money maker?
Yeah, the money maker.
Yeah.
Good chips, huh?
Okay.
Red out of juice.
Let me finish with one of my best rounds.
Yeah,
Jeez.
wano kemba mo line niya brafan mi mara na ta. Like,
Mara.
fana na madai.
You're not good enough for
Bopi,
this to
Bopi,
damage your party, Peter. Don't worry.
And when you are, ne?
Yeah, you'll see.
Ah, my
Watch.
friend.
Let me show you how good I am.
There's
Oh
nothing there.
Your supporters are
You
disappointed.
literally on my line. What's a match?
Okay. No, fine. Hey,
Finish.
show us. I didn't step on this line. Finish.
Relax. Can I get 5 minutes?
Hey, partner, the people, they're waiting for us.
Hey, he's angry at us now.
Let now. Kuli ni kiwo isi.
Nice
I
one,
love
Peter.
that.
Thanks.
Is it me or someone?
You can go, Bacardi.
Let me go, man.
Yeah.
Let's clean it up first.
You have to go before me.
So I
now.
just put a lot of pressure on you guys. That's all I want to do. More pressure.
Partying,
yeah,
Bacardi.
Party Bacardi. 3 party.
For me, it's beautiful.
Hey.
Hey! Hot palpitations.
Sure,
Yes,
my
That's how you finish.
That's how you finish, X.
Yes, love that, love that.
Excalibur. Show Keita.
Wala kira
I need to move for the guys.
Bacardi man.
Nice.
Good money. Sharp.
Hola.
Thank you.
Bacardi.
Thank you.